My name is Maria Barros. I'm here with Ben Dominguez Law Firm. I actually studied here in the University of Houston. My LLM as a foreign attorney. So I'm happy to be back to my alma mater. And I would love to get from here some new attorneys willing to learn, to grow, to help us, because we have a lot of work to do at Ben Dominguez Law Firm. So I will be here in the stand number 1. Please come to see me.
I'm a law school graduate, class of 1997. I'm a partner at a small law firm, so we have specific needs for our boutique practice areas. Well, I went through the law center, so I think it produced solid candidates. And our experience and our hiring, we found that U of H candidates perform very well. They tend to be happy on the job, and they tend to be hard workers.
Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm currently A1L here at Chelsea. I'm an out-of-state student, so I'm not very exposed to all the opportunities out here. As a current 1L, I have an opportunity for the first half of the summer, but not for the second. And when I was talking to the CDO and asking them about what opportunities I should pursue, they definitely recommended that I contribute out to this event today, where I get to learn from different employers, get to learn about opportunities that allow me to split my summer.
Hi, my name is Jira Bevel. I'm a 2L. I'm here at the small and mid-sized firm because I'm looking for enhancing my client advocacy skills. I would like to get into family or immigration, or really something where I can help people.
Hello, my name is Isle Wade, and I'm a 1L at the UHLC. And right now, I'm at the small mid-sized open house, looking to potentially get a summer internship and just further my career after law school. The CDO has helped me just really push and get that extra confidence that I felt I needed at times. Yeah, just a little self-doubt, and I'm glad they helped me just one-on-one and just like personally give me that extra push.